Hari Om. Prayers from Yogic Path. So today, day 9, and we are on intermediate sequence of Ashtanga Tristhana method of yogic practice, of yogic wisdom. So let's start with the prayers. First 3 Oms, then Guru Vandana, and then peace prayers, and then we start our practice. Be seated, attain the Sukhasana, hands in Jnana Mudra, spine straight, head with the line of the spine. Check your breath, check your lungs. And breathe in. Please stand up. Attain the standing pose while your both feet next to each other, toes slightly apart, heels together, hands in Jnana Mudra. Check your breath, check your lungs, be calm, connect away, be focused. Then bring your feet apart 6 to 8 inches, and then inhaling, raise your hand high, bite sidewise, stretch upward to stretch your underarm muscles to lift the weight of the body, and while you exhale, transfer yourself towards the front. The forward bending, hip lifting pose, and then inhaling, fold your elbows surrounding your head. The hip lifting pose, Pututtanasana, one of the master pose at the beginning of intermediate sequence to activate entire your body, to activate all your major joints, to balance the energy. Here, each time when you inhale, hold the breath at least 6 to 10 seconds into your abdominal, and while you exhale, try to transfer yourself more further. Try to release your head, shoulder, spine more free towards your front. Like these 2 or 3 deep breathing round. To the Pututtanasana, hip lifting pose. And then in final, inhaling, drop your hand. Exhaling, open your eyes there. And then inhaling with broadly open eyes in a smooth flow, go up. And then release sidewise. Again attain the standing pose. Relax. Check your heels together. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Relax. Be calm. Be connect. Away. Find the both feet holding equal weight of your body. Find your spine is free. Once again, feet apart, inhaling, raise your hand sidewise. This time, so you can see the side view. Yes, you'll turn her in an angle so you can see side view. You stretch and then exhaling, transfer towards the front. Check her hand, then transfer the weight towards the front, towards your toes, and then fold your elbows, surrounding your head. And then breath by breath. First you inhale, maintain, hold 6 to 10 seconds. And while you exhale, try to drop your spine more free. Check the breath, check the lungs. Be calm, connect away. And then in final, inhaling, drop your hands. Exhaling, open your eyes. And then inhaling, go up in a smooth flow. Release sidewise. Attain the standing pose. Check the breath. Relax yourself. Take your time. Be calm. Connect away. Now, get ready for triangle pose, the Trikonasana. We will do first and second variation of triangle pose. Hands to the root chakra. Relax, check the legs apart like 2.5 feet from each other. Find your feet very flat. Spine relaxed. And then oming here. So breathe in. Then open eyes, inhaling, move your hand up to your shoulder level. Keep the palm up, keep the breath in, and then move your right heel out, right toes only up to 90 degrees. Pay attention on the right feet, and while you exhale, slowly over to your right hand side. Keep your upper hand straight, your spine flat. The first variation of Trikonasana, head upward. Check the breath, same 2 deep breathing round. Each time you inhale, hold 6 to 10 seconds. Then inhaling, come up. Keep your eyes open when you are moving. Move your heel in, release the breath. Then inhale. Now next side, left heel out. Very good. And while you exhale, slowly check the breath, check the lungs. Be calm, connect away. Be focused. Check the breath. At least 2 deep breathing round. Each time you inhale, hold the breath to abdominal. You can top up the breath by inhaling more to hold longer, to extend your timing to hold the pose. Then exhale and repeat the breath again. So like this twice. And inhaling, come up, move your heel in, release the breath. Inhale, and now when you exhale, release your hand to the root chakra. Take your time, relax, be calm, connect our will. So this was the first variation of triangle pose, Trikonasana. We'll go for the second variation also today. But first, relax, check your breath, check your lungs. You must be very relaxed and calm. Again, oming, breathe in. Open eyes, inhaling, move your hand again up to shoulder level. Keep hands up, keep the breath in, then move your right heel up. And now for second variation, raise your left hand very close to your left ear, touching. And then while you exhale, move yourself. So hand parallel to the ground. Triangle pose. The second variation of triangle pose, Trikonasana. Eyes upward, check the breath. Same 2 deep breathing round. Each time you inhale, hold. Then inhaling, come up, move your heel in, keep the hands up, exhale, inhale, now next side, left heel out, now right hand straight up, and while you exhale, slowly check the breath. Same 2 deep breathing round, each time you inhale, hold 6 to 10 seconds at least. Maintain the pose, calm, connect. Repeat the breath. And in final, inhaling, come up, move your heel in, now release the breath, inhale, and now when you exhale, release your hands. Now attempt the standing pose at the front corner of your seat. Be calm, connect our will. So now the next pose is Surya Namaskar Salute to the Sun pose, one of the master pose on the path of Ashtanga Trishthana method. Attain the standing pose, check your breath, be calm, connect our will. Here we be chanting 7 ohms to gain the balance, the channeling of the energy of 7 chakras, the 7 main chakras. So breathe in. Your hands. Your hands to the front salute position, the Pranamasana. Now keep your hand as it is. Open your eyes. Feet apart, like 4 to 6 inches from each other. Feet, your toes very straight. And then inhaling, drop your hands at your front and raise them high for hand lifting pose. And then bend over to your spine. Go all the way back. Keep the eyes open. Keep the breath. And then exhaling in a smooth flow, go towards your front. Work on your calf, thighs and knees, keeping them straight. Hand to the ground for Hastpadasana, hand to feet pose you are in. Do your 2 deep breathing rounds. Each time you are inhaling, holding, pausing for 6 to 10 seconds. When you've done your breathing rounds, inhaling, bend your both knees. Up, place your palm next to your feet and then take your right leg back. Dasya Sanchalanasana, the horse riding pose. Keep your head with the line of the spine, very straight. Check the breath again. 2 deep breathing round. Be very fixed. Avoid all the extra movement. Be deeply aware. You may even close your eyes to attain the pose deeper. And inhaling. Next leg. Hip flat. Head up. Check the breath. Check the lungs. Be calm. Connect away. Then inhaling, go up to the mountain pose. Both heels together, feet together. Work on the breath. Aim of the pose to bring your heel to the ground. Work on your calf and thighs, stretching upward, stretching your shoulder, spine towards your hips up to the mountain pose. 2 deep breathing round. And then from here, inhaling, slide your feet all the way back. Let your knee touch the ground, elbows, chin, chest at your front. Dashtang Namanasana. Exhale here proper. And then inhaling in a smooth flow to the Bhujangasana. Raise your head and shoulder on your hands. Keep your shoulder relaxed. Try to maintain your legs together. Check the breath, chin high. It's 1 breath pose. And exhaling, go down. Very good. Exhale proper. Inhaling, get to the child pose. Here, give yourself time. Relax. Be calm. Connect. Away. Breathe normal. The child pose to relax your lungs, to smooth your breath again. And then inhaling, jump to the mountain pose, Parvatasana. Check the breath, check the lungs. Be calm, connect the will. Inhaling, the right knee forward, coming back to the Aswapadasana, horse riding pose, Aswasanchalanasana. Check the breath. 2 deep breathing round. And then another leg forward, feet slightly apart, knee straight. First Padasana, hand to feet pose. Check the breath. Be calm, connect the will. In final, exhale, open eyes. Now onwards, keep your eyes open. It is very must that you keep your eyes open. And inhaling in a smooth flow. Go up. Raise your hand up. Then bend over to your spine. Keep the breath in. And when you exhale to the front salute position. Then release your hand free. Attain the standing pose. Check the breath, check the lungs. Be calm, connect the will. Take enough time. Be calm, connect the will. We'll do one more round of salute to the sun, Surya Namaskarasana, but this round without instructions, by your own. So you can master your own manner of breathing. You can master the poses and the sequence. So when you're ready, straight start to the hand lifting pose. You already did the oming at the first round, so no need to do the oming also. Just step by step get to the positions. The asanas practice. Very good. Pay attention on the flow, pay attention on eyes open when you are going from up to down or down to up. Then pay attention on the breathing rounds. You must pause the breath according to your potential. Not to force yourself, but as much as may be minor, but you must. It will give you ability to open inner self more. Very good. You're doing good. Very nice. Keep eyes open when you are moving up. And to the salute position. And then please lay down to the Savasana, dead body pose. Relax yourself into Savasana. In dead body pose. Give yourself enough time. Let your prana get smooth. And when you're ready, then sit up, take your seat, make yourself nicely comfortable. Attain the Sukhasana and Pranayama. The session for breathing, same Anulom Vilom as we did the last session. The Anulom Vilom, Prana balancing. So you are doing at least 10 to 12 minutes minimum for prana balancing, and after prana balancing, please do sit for silent sitting, self-observation at least for 10 to 12 minutes, or do your Om chanting, maybe little bit of japa meditation where you are chanting Om loud or inside in you, continuous breath by breath, and then at the end by ending prayers by chanting 3 Oms, finish your class. So this is your day 9 for intermediate session. We'll meet again for day 10. So with prayers, Hari Om.